Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic creator, Artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Yeah, hello, greetings. First things first, I wanted to, so I met some people, recently. First up, God's Gamers. So, God's Gamers is he's going to seminary. I don't know which seminary he's going to. He did not answer my whisper when I sent it to him, but he was talking about the Bible, and I was jiving with everything he said. So, not long after that I met God's Gamers, and he followed. He rated, and I met another, not a streamer, but a viewer, and her name is Arya Fox, and she has quite a story, so I'll be praying for her. Not only did I meet Araya Fox, I also met Happy Cynic. Thank you for following, Happy Cynic. Also, thank you for following Toxic Kaylee and the Toxic Family. Something tells me that they're related. Something tells me that the Toxic Family is related. The Toxic Family needs a lot of prayers. I met them when hanging out with God's Gamers. So, there you go. 5 days ago, seems like Wednesday was forever ago, but that's what has happened since then. That's the last day I streamed was Wednesday night because I had something to do on Thursday night. So there you go. For some reason, am I not showing? Here we go. Yep, that's what it's supposed to look like. Here we go. So, I'm still working on page number 24. When last we left page 24, I was working on Jesus walking down the road to Emmaus, and his two disciples staring at each other with wonder, wide-eyed and wonder. And now we're going to work on Cleopas. Some say Cleopas, some say Cleophas. Depends on whether you're American or not, I guess. Cleopas, I've heard Timothy Mackie say Cleopas. He doesn't say the PH with an F sound, he says P. And the H is silent, I'm guessing. So, we're gonna, whatever this guy's name is, however you pronounce it, we're going to put some ink on his face. Starting now. Let's do that again. And something tells me I have to give a little bit more volume to the music. Not much, just a little. Hello, greetings. Are you the Hulk today? Oh, you're grumpy. You're a grouch? You are... I see. How may I help you?
Stop! What are you doing?
I am streaming. I'm drawing. Want to say hi to the people? Alright. Apparently we need to be right back. Alright, sorry about that interruption. Here we go. Ah, there's the problem. Maybe if this was a smaller brush, I'd have a little bit more control. So I found a few new podcasts recently. Let's see, what are my new podcasts? I have to check my phone here. Oh yeah, so John Mark Comer, I'll put that in the chat, John Mark Comer. So these are the recommended podcasters